Hey, what's going on? It's Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com. And today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be talking about 3 different Forex myths. So maybe you've been thinking about trading Forex, learning how to trade Forex. Maybe you know nothing about it. Maybe you have some different ideas about it that are preventing you from doing it. Stick around, because in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you 3 myths I know for sure. And I might throw in a bonus one. Hey, what's going on? So I am back and I am on my computer, my Facebook wall here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over 3 myths about Forex that I know many people believe. I know I believe them myself. Before I get to that though, let me just share just a little bit about myself. So for 8+ years, going on 9, well, about 8.5 years, I'd say, I've been marketing online, and I knew nothing of Forex. I had a lot of different ideas about Forex, and I'm going to kind of go over the myths, the things that I thought were going to be keep me from doing it, and I'm going to break those down. But just to give you just some context, okay? I knew nothing about it. I wanted nothing to do with it, fast forward to today. I've been trading Forex now on a live account for less than a month, okay? And I'm going to go over all this stuff. And I'm learning. But I've realized a lot of the things that I believed in the past were incorrect, okay? So let me go over the myths. I'm going to go over the myths. I'm going to show you evidence as to why they're myths, okay? Myth number 1, it is too expensive. You need a lot of money to get started. That is something that I thought was the case. I thought that it was definitely too expensive to get started. You needed a lot of money to get started. So I'm going to show you right now why that isn't the case. All right, so I'm going to pull up a trading plan that I have here. And you can see I have $125 here. Now, I could put that at like $50. So you could literally start at $50. And you could work your account up. And I'm just going to show you some examples of how you can start really small and work your way up to bigger numbers, okay? So right here, we have what's called a 0.05 lot size. And I'm not going to go into depth about what this stuff means, but basically you take this here and you times it by the 20, and that's how much money you would make, okay, if this trade played out. So if this trade played out, you would take profit of $10, okay? Because 0.05, okay, so that's 50 cents. 50 cents for each pip, basically. And I'm not going to go over that right now. That's not what this one is about. This video is about. But here you could see $10. That will give you $135. That's starting at $125. Now, again, you could start at $50. We have people that start at $50 and build their accounts up to $1,000+, okay? I've seen people take a small account of $50 or $100 with a 0.1, that's 10 cents times however many pips, right? And move their account to $1,000, okay? So right there, the myth is busted. And you can see now, if I go through, you can see as we are more profitable, we come back and we increase the lot size. Same amount of pips, different lot size. And if you just stuck with this plan, and you followed it through for 30 trades, not 30 days, 30 trades, that's what you would end up with. Now, are there going to be losses along the way? Most likely, especially if you're first starting. Even the best traders have losses. But this is just to give you an idea of what is possible. And I'll save some of the stories for one of the other myths, okay? So this is myth number 1. You need a lot of money? No, you don't. You don't need a lot of money. You could start an account with $50. Okay, so let's go to myth number 2. So myth number 2 is I'm going to lose a lot of money. That's myth number 2. I'm going to lose a lot of money. Now, maybe you've talked to people that have done Forex and have lost a lot of money. So what we're taught, okay, what I've been taught By the way, my wife does, she's learning as well, and my 16-year-old son is also learning this skill, this very valuable skill. So this is for everybody, anybody, doesn't matter. One of the things I love about it is you don't have to talk to anybody to earn. You don't have to go anywhere to earn. You don't have to market to earn. And those are hang-ups in like when it comes to network marketing, online marketing, those are hang-ups people have a lot. So this is something that pretty much everybody can do. Very exciting. Very, very exciting. At least for me, it's very exciting. Okay. So, so we talk about lot size. Now let's talk second myth. Myth number two. Myth number two is you're going to lose a lot of money, right? That's something I hear a lot of people say, oh, no, you're going to lose a lot of money. Okay, so the only way you're going to lose a lot of money is one, if you do this on your own. If you go out, try to learn this on your own, you're going to lose a lot of money. That's going to happen for sure. But the only other way is if you don't practice good risk management. So we're taught good risk management. Don't over leverage your account. So let's say you have $125. We only want to have like 2, 3%, maybe 5%. And I believe this is a little bigger than that, but at a time on your account to be safe. Now you could go a little more aggressive. It's really up to you. But if you are practicing good risk management, you will not blow your account. You will not lose a lot of money. Sure, you might lose some, but you'll make it back on the next trade or the trade after that. And that loss will be minimal compared to the win if you're doing this right, if you're practicing good risk management. So when people say they lose a lot of money, the reason they lose a lot of money is because they're over leveraging their accounts. So they're trying to get rich overnight, basically. Okay? And that never works. If you use the compound effect and you just keep doing, let's say 5%, 10% every day, like if you just start compounding that, your numbers are going to grow. I mean, if we just look at this example, I mean, look at that after 30 trades. Again, I'm not saying you're going to do that in 30 trades. It could take you longer. It could take you a lot longer. But that's what's possible. And the thing is, you're not, if you're practicing good risk management, if you're not over leveraging, this is something that's taught, by the way, you will be completely fine. And you'll be able to grow your account. You won't be stressed out. Okay? So myth number 2, bust it. Okay? Let's go to myth number 3. It's too hard. It's hard, right? It's hard. I hear that one a lot. It's something I thought. So all these myths are things I thought before I started learning how to trade Forex. It's too hard, okay? So yes, on your own, I believe it would be very hard. And the truth of the matter is, when I first started this, when I first started hearing the language, when I first started seeing what this was all about, it was like a foreign language to me. It was like gibberish. Like I had no clue what was going on. And all these new words, all this new vocabulary was being thrown at me. And I'm like, what the heck? What is this? And, you know, at the very beginning, you're kind of feeling overwhelmed. You're like, wow, this is really hard, right? Like, how am I going to get this? But when you stick with it, like anything, when you stick with it, you start understanding what's being said. And it starts making sense to you. Like anything. If you go out and start a new job, I guarantee you that first day is going to be overwhelming to you because you're not familiar with it. It's new to you, right? So it's kind of the same idea. Now, with Forex trading, it can be very difficult because there is a lot of different parts to it. But the reason I don't believe it's hard is because with our trading community, we have excellent education and excellent trainers, okay? Now, let me back this up with my own experience, okay? Because I don't want you just thinking, oh, yeah, you're just saying that, whatever, right? No, I'm going to back it up with my own experience. I have been on my live trading account since June 25th, 2020. I don't know when you're watching this video. June 25th, 2020, okay? My first week, I did what was called signals. So they send you information, like numbers to put in. You put the numbers in, and it's kind of like trading blind. Like you're basing everything on what the experts are telling you to do, and you really don't know what's going to happen. You can't see anything. So, that's where beginners start. But what you want to do is learn how to do what's called a top-down analysis. So here's the thing. All right, literally, I knew nothing. Okay, I got on my live account. I started with a demo account, free, right? Like, it's free. Don't pay anything. You're playing with fake money. It's not real money, but you're learning, right? So I got on my demo account. I was playing around that, and then I got onto the live account. And the reason why I've been winning my trades. So like for today, for example, usually we have a live session. So today is July 23rd. I started my live account on June 25th. Okay, just give you some context. So we usually have a live session. Something happened, we didn't have it. During the live sessions, what they do is they educate us, but they also call out trades live. Today I was on my own. So I had to use the education, the training that I've been learning, that I've been practicing, that I've been applying. And today I've been able to win all my trades. So far, I got one trade still in, but so far all my trades I have won. And these are trades that I looked at and called myself. Okay, so let me just go into the education. Now, I know I'm taking a little long on this one, but I want you to understand what we have here and why this can benefit you so much. Don't mind the name of the company is Tradera. I usually don't talk about that, but you know what? I'm going to say this is just phenomenal. Okay, phenomenal. All right, so here is the back office. This is the education that you get. Okay, so you have asset classes. Actually, the overview is going to go over trading basics, things like that. Okay, I'm going to go through this kind of fast. We have asset classes, so that's Forex and crypto, trading terminology, trading basics. So we go through the basics, like the different software we use. Okay, it's called MetaTrader 4, TradingView. They educate you on that, show you how to do that. Different trading styles, trading analysis. Let me go into trading analysis. We got trading styles, charting styles. One of the concepts is called support and resistance. Means nothing to you now, but it's very, very important when you're trading. Trend identification. So is it in a buying trend? Is it in consolidation? Is it in a selling trend or a bearish trend? If it's in a buying, it's a bullish trend. Teaches you how to do that. Price channels, market structure, price action, everything you need to know to have success in the markets. Okay, so this is what the subscription that I have that you can get access to by clicking the link right below this video comes with. This is what you get. All of this. There's tons of information in here. But I want to sweeten the deal a little bit more. Okay, I want you to understand why this is so powerful and why this can absolutely change your life. And that is because you're going to get access to so much more. And I'm going to give you all the bonuses. I'm just going to show you. So this is our Facebook. This is a Facebook group. We have more than one, but this is our Facebook group where a lot of the training is done. This is extra bonus training. Okay. So right here we have some live session replays. We have live sessions, live trading sessions that happen usually Monday through Thursday, maybe Friday. And during these sessions, they're doing education and they're doing live trades. Now, if you get on these sessions, you're with a profitable trader. And when they call a trade, much of the time, it's a winning trade. Okay, so you can start earning while you're learning. This blew me away, by the way. When I first saw this, I was like, wait a minute. I can literally just follow along what experts are telling me to do and literally just do what they do and profit from that, even if I don't really understand it. I don't have to talk to anybody. I don't have to market. All I got to do is listen, enter some numbers, and allow that trade to play out. And a lot of the time, they walk you through it while it's live. So it's very, very powerful. But just to give you an idea, like there's all these different, they record the sessions, and a lot of times they put the good sessions in here, the ones that they really think are important. So we have like sniper entry, Fibonacci. This is 2.0. Fibonacci makes no sense to you, I know, but These are all very valuable trainings. Market structure, power of 20 pips, 10 commandments. So these are all trainings that have been done. Sniper entry, six-figure mindset. And then there's some up here as well. Let me just see here. Where is it? Right? Oop, nope, that's not it. Right here. Oh, that's not it. Sorry. Here we go. Right here. Team trading sessions. Okay. So we got intro to Forex. Really, really powerful. 20 pips and dip. Okay. So as you can see, there's a lot of training. So if you can't make it live, cool. There are very important trainings, very valuable trainings that will help you have success. And I know this because these are the trainings I've been going through. Along with it comes with the subscription, these are the trainings I've been going through, along with getting on the live sessions where they call live trades, where they literally walk you through it. These are the things, and this is why I don't believe it's hard. It would be hard on your own, but you're not on your own. You're with profitable traders who are teaching you exactly what to do. And we have 3 sessions a day. So we have what's called New York session, which starts early in the morning around 7 a.m. Eastern time. Then we have Asian session, which is later in the evening, starts at 9 p.m. Eastern time. And then we have London session that I believe it starts at 2 a.m. Eastern time. So it's around the clock. And there's traders on there teaching and calling out trades live during these sessions. So literally you can come on here, not know a damn thing, not know anything, nothing, and you could still be winning your trades. I'm blown away by this. I really am. I really am. And if you're following the chart here, or we have other ones as well. Some of the other trainers have different ones, but if you're following this plan, you could start working your way up pretty quickly by following what the trainers are teaching you. But ultimately, what you want to be doing is you want to be learning the skill, and that's what this provides. This allows you the opportunity to learn a skill that will pay big time for a long time. Okay, this is a very powerful thing. I think back to when I went to college. Right, I went to college. I paid literally thousands of dollars to go attend classes. I paid, hundreds of dollars to get books. Right, I paid for parking, all this stuff, and I didn't get paid. I wasn't earning while I was going to college. Okay, here you start earning while you're learning. This is so powerful. I hope you're understanding this. All right, I'm gonna debunk one more myth, okay? One more myth. And that myth is it takes a lot of time. I don't have the time, okay? So I'm gonna debunk that myth, all right? So what you can do is either, now there are some traders that like to stay on the charts all through the day. There are some that like to do that. But there are also some that have jobs, right? And they can't do that. So they'll look for 1 or 2 trades, whatever session works best for them. And then they'll put in their numbers and they'll leave it and they'll go, okay? And there's also ways to put in alerts. So like you have an alarm that sounds when your trade is ready. So when you go to look for a trade and you see something setting up, you can put an alert. And when it hits that alert will go off. It can be emailed to you. It can sound off, whatever. There's a lot of different ways it can notify you. But once that goes off, then you go look and you go, okay, I like what I see. I'm going to get in. I'm going to enter what's called my take profit and my stop loss. And I'm going to go about my day. So it doesn't need to take a lot of time. So I gave you a bonus one. That's all I got for today. I hope you got value. I hope you see the value of what I see with this. I mean, I truly see Forex trading as a way for people to become free financially, especially people that don't like to talk to people, are not good at recruiting, are not good at marketing, or just don't want to market. This is something you could do without any of that. And we have phenomenal education. And the education is what's going to set you free. That's what it is, okay? The education is what's going to separate you. And we have, I'm blown away. I honestly am. Less than a month and I'm winning my trades. To me, that's crazy. We have someone that started in March learning, knew nothing before, having consistent four-figure days. Consistent four-figure days. Okay? I've seen some other stories that will blow your mind. So this is just a very powerful, powerful thing that I believe anyone and everyone can benefit from. If you'd like to learn more about it, if you'd like to get started, go ahead and click the link right below and you're going to be able to learn more about it, okay? So thank you for watching. I appreciate you and have a great day.